Good afternoon. This is Carlos. Today we're going to talk about chapters 4 and 5 from Gibbon's book, Scaffolding Language, Scaffolding Learning. Chapters 4's title, From Speaking to Writing in the Content Classroom. It discusses the motive continuum in which there are 4 stages that the teacher and the student will be involved in. Stage 1, it's titled Doing an Experiment. Stage 2, Introducing Key Vocabulary. Stage 3, Teacher Guided Reporting. Stage 4, journal writing. And stage 1, it basically discusses how a student can be involved with other students as well to be part of a project or part of an assignment, and they work together with it. Stage 2 talks about introducing key vocabulary, so it's obviously teach the student new words that they can put into their writing assignments that will expand their knowledge. Stage 3 is more of the teacher involvement, in which the teacher and the student will be talking one-on-one, have a conversation in terms of what they can do when it comes to their writing. And in this part as well, the student will takes the role of an expert, and where they're going to be more equal to the teacher in terms of when they're talking to each other and what they're doing. And then finally, stage 4, journal writing. This is where the student writes down what they learned in terms of what they learn it with the teacher and as well with the key vocabulary. Moving on to chapter 5, we learn about some of the challenges that an EL learner might come across when learning or writing in a new language. And most of it's going to be connected with the culture, because genres in writing are associated with the culture. And since a lot of the EL students are from a different culture, they're going to have some struggles, or they're going to face some obstacles in the way when it comes to learning. The chapter goes on into more detail about some of the genres that are used in schools. For example, the narrative genre, argument genre. There's other types of genres as well that go into the charts as well in the chapter. Later in the chapter, it discusses also how they identified 4 stages that are involved in the genre to help students get through this barriers when it comes to going through another genre. And the stages are: stage 1, building the field; stage 2, modeling the genre; stage 3, joint construction; and then stage 4, independent writing. In the latter part of the chapter, it also talks about some additional scaffolding for youth learners and EL beginners as well. Because you're going to have those students who are going to be coming new to the school system or country and may not know how to use your skills to transfer their skills in their primary language onto it. It also goes into scaffolding when it comes to writing, and also how to assess the student as well. That way, you're not just putting them down for their grade, and it gives you also rubrics as well on how to grade them. And that's basically what happens in chapter 5.